age. And when we deal with the case laws of people who are suffering from computer crimes, we should have the victimology to treat the people, offenders and the victims. It will help to see the real thing what has happened in the case law and what we can do, the equal treatment and the very fair and justice treatment. And the relevancy of Electronic Transaction Act also should be recommended. And although the admissibility of electronic and computer-based evidence is accepted in laws, but regarding to the computer crimes, it's very silent. And more than all, as Nelson Mandela said, education is the very powerful tool to bring a change into the world. So I think although we have a Computer Crimes Act in Sri Lanka, and we are having a very far external steps looking forward to achieve that, and we are looking forward to how to make the minors as the plus. But still, there are number of people affecting from computer crimes, but they are not ready to come and report them. So I think we should give a proper awareness regarding the computer crimes to the people, and there should be a secret and a confidentiality to bring among them. Then only we can report to them. And you know, in Sri Lanka now, all the schooling children and everybody are having a Facebook account. You all know that, right? So having this kind of all social media relationships, I can't, say that the given below earlier I gave, that ratio is the cases can arises in Sri Lanka. There can be a lot of cases, so they all should be reported. Then only we can, when we have a case laws only, we can go for a mechanism and we can give a recommendation and we can make our country as a knowledge hub in every area. So I think as a conclusion, so far we are keeping in Computer Crimes Act, and that extent we are the knowledge hub so far. But to maintain this standard in next near futures and all, to compete with all the problems and things, we should highly think about the Cyber Crimes Act and all the recommended things. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much, Mr. Raz, for the